POV walk through the park.
Back again. So now we're gonna check out the botanical garden bit. If you haven't subscribed, I suggest you do, because we're gonna be bringing tons and tons of amazing content. Don't want to miss out. Hopefully I got battery life for this, so it don't run out. I've got to charge my recorder today. Rookery, welcome to the Rookery it's called. The Rookery is a small but enchanting formal garden situated within and contrasting with the much larger Streatham Common. It's the site of what used to be Streatham Spa, where people could come to drink water from local springs for their medicinal and healing properties. Oh, interesting. Streatham Spa, Wales and formal garden seen today once stood in the grounds of a large house known as the Rookery. Local rapper. Okay, yep, I told you guys my hay fever is gonna start playing off. It's high pollen, guys, it's high pollen. Strange, I don't even know why I got hay fever and I was born and raised in Africa with plantation everywhere, but hey, you live and you learn, right? Here we go. Fun fact, for those of you that follow my musical stuff, I've shot a few videos here because it's such a beautiful garden. Well, a lot of people shoot music videos here, you know. Such a nice space, you see. This tree looks ultra old, like hundreds of years old. Ain't it strange that some trees have lived longer than we've been alive, and we probably live longer after we're gone? Nature, eh? But we look at them like they're primitive. It's the main garden bit. I like these little walkways.
Because this is
a little well here. Very ancient well from 1659. That's crazy. Again, I don't know how far this place stretches to. Well, that's the main garden bit we just walked through. That was here. That goes outside. flowers and stuff. Yeah, I think it's a tennis court here. I think, if I'm correct. Yeah. We got a tennis court here, and stretches all the way up here. There's a little path here. I mean, there's lots to see in this park. I don't think I'll be able to explore everything today. Maybe we'll come back for another segment of this park. There's lots to see. There's lots to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna be bringing you amazing content. If you wanna see London, this is the channel for you. I'm gonna be bringing lots of amazing content. You don't want to miss out. Yeah, lots of birds, you know. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna keep bringing more and more amazing content. Let's see what's up here. I haven't even gone down this side. I think at least I'm gonna end this episode like that. Yeah, we're gonna be bringing you more and more wildlife content, so you don't want to miss out. Look at all of this. Stretches all the way up there, all the way around. I just don't have the strength to do it all today. I will be back. Yeah, thoughts of an abstract mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks.